Hi everyone, welcome to Storyteller. Today we are going to hear a short story which is about inner beauty. The inner beauty of a cracked pot. Once upon a time, there was a young woman and she worked as a maid on a house which was on the top of the hill. So every day she has to bring water to the house. So what she does is she has to walk down the hill to collect the water from the nearby river. She had two pots with her. So what she uses, she took the two pots to carry the water which she hanged upon a pole so that she could carry the pole over her shoulders. In this way, she carried the water daily to the house which is on the top of the hill. By the time passes, one of her pot got a small crack along to its side. She observed the crack on the pot, but still, besides that, she used on a daily basis. And every day, when the woman carried those two pots down the hill to the river, she filled water to top of the two pots also. However, while she walked up back to the hill, balancing the pole on her shoulders, by the time she reaches the house, the cracked pot will be only half, which is the water will be only to the half of the pot, while the other pot will be still full to the top. Now this happened on a regular basis, and one day the cracked pot had a glance on the other pot and saw the water which is still to the top of the other pot, and it saw herself where she saw the water was only half, and that moment she began to feel worthless. The full pot was very proud of its accomplishment, while the cracked pot felt too ashamed and felt that it was not able to accomplish its goal or work. One day it thought, and the cracked pot, spoke to the lady, and she said, "Dear lady, I'm sorry. I apologize for my flaws. The crack on my inside made me useless. I spilled half of the water and I'm just not good." The lady in return said she felt sorry for the cracked pot and said, "You have not been paying attention to look around you as we travel to the master house." She was saying, "You have not been paying attention to look around you as we travel to the master's house. I want you to look at the path we traverse." This is what she conveyed. So the next time when the lady carried water up to the hill, the cracked pot carefully observed the path up the hill. While the lady was taking the water and traveling up to the hill, the cracked pot started observing. So, and to the first time, the cracked pot stopped, looked inside of herself, and instead looked to the outside world. And she saw the side of her trail. It was beautiful flowers and plants which were growing, while the other side was completely dry. Now, once the woman reached the top of the hill, she asked whether you noticed the beautiful flowers on the path which we traversed. They are only on your side of the path. I have always known about your pot. I have always known about you, and hence I took an advantage of it to water the beautiful flowers and plants on the way. Without being just the way you are, the path uphill would not have this beauty. What she is trying to say is, without being just the way you are, the path uphill would not have this beauty. The cracked pot got overjoyed and excited, and her sadness gone away. It got disappeared. She understood that what she thought to be her weakness turn to be a blessing for the flowers and the plants on the path of the hill. You see, every one of us is unique, as well as every one of us has our own flaws, and nobody is perfect here. So always it is that little flaws that makes us and the world around us much more interesting. Butterflies usually don't know the color of their wings, but while humans, when we see those butterflies, we know how beautiful they are. In the same manner, you don't know how you are, but others can see that you are special. So you try to see your inner beauty. Your inner beauty has some power. Thank you so much for hearing and watching Storyteller. If you like, please share and subscribe. Once you subscribe, our stories will get conveyed to you. Thank you so much.